Hey, this is Rama from Creations, Landscape Designs, and the Earth Friendly Landscapes blog. Welcome to another video. In this video, it's going to be me painting, but me sharing an idea that I would like to get your opinion on. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. So I've been trying to figure out what can I do on this YouTube channel to sway the algorithm gods in my favor, to get more watch time hours so that I can monetize my YouTube channel and be able to take whatever dollar I make from monetizing this YouTube channel and be able to use that to buy better equipment so that I can make better videos and whatnot. So I have an idea. Go with me on this. What if every Friday I post my regular either long form or short form video about landscape design, my projects, etc., what you've been typically used to, and then on a completely different day during the week, say, I don't know, Wednesday, Tuesday, whatever, I post an art video. Not every week, but let's say every other week or something on a Tuesday, Wednesday, or even a Monday maybe, there's art content. Now, obviously, the art is secondary and will always come secondary to the landscape design content because I own a landscape design business that is literally my bread and butter. So that's the idea. And then the second idea is another time during the week, every week, post some sort of YouTube short that relates to either a project I'm working on or something that I'm doing related to my business or something really cool related to landscapes and design that I want to share with you, because I really want to get into the habit of posting more often to this YouTube channel and get into the habit of being more consistent, which on the one hand I have been doing. I've not missed a Friday of posting something to YouTube in long form or short form since the beginning of this year. But I want to continue that going. I want to get into that habit of continuing and doing and being much more consistent on social media to boost and grow and promote my business. Because part of the reason why I'm on YouTube, to be honest, besides wanting to raise awareness about sustainability, California native plants, sustainable landscaping, is to build and grow my landscape design business. That being said, if you know of anyone that needs a landscape designer, I offer complimentary 1-hour consultations. Anyway, so that's the plan. Do let me know in the comments below what you think of it. And you know what? It's going to be an experiment. I'm going to try it out for a few months, see how I like it, see how things go. Is it going to work? I hope so. I hope it works so fabulously that the YouTube algorithm gods choose to love me and bestow their abundance upon me. I mean, one can hope, right? Because the thing is over the last 6 months or so, business has slowed down enough that I'm trying to figure out any way possible to build it, grow it, keep it going, to keep the momentum going. And it's been doing good. I've been steadily really loving this being active on social media thing. It's something that I'm really enjoying. And I like the idea that I get to share my business world with all of you and that I get to share it in general, regardless of who's watching, because I enjoy that. I enjoy spreading the message that you should garden sustainably, that you should consider at least even one California native plant in your garden. And I want to be able to, through my designs, give ideas of what is possible for your own gardens. Anyway, all that to have been said, thank you for letting me be here and vent with you, and I really sincerely appreciate all of you.